In this video, I'll show you how to install Reshade in Red Dead Redemption 2. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you want to make Red Dead Redemption look even more realistic, Reshade is a free tool that adds custom lighting, color grading, and visual effects on top of your game. So if you're looking to turn up the graphics, I'll show you how to get it running. It's super easy to do. Before you start installing Reshade, I recommend changing your graphics API to Vulkan inside the in-game settings. So from the main menu, you can go to settings and then graphics, hover down to advanced settings, and make sure your graphics API is set to Vulkan. Because for some reason, RDR2 and Reshade works better with Vulkan. Alright, so first to download Reshade, you can go to the official website, which is reshade.me. I'll put the link in the description, or you can just type in reshade.me. And once you're here, you can click download. And then you're going to download the latest update, the one at the top, because you don't need a full add-on support. So click that and then save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. So just hit save and the download will start. After you finish downloading, you can go to your downloads folder and now you have the setup. Just double click on it to open it up. And now you're going to select Red Dead Redemption 2 from the list. So just look through the list. If there's no Red Dead Redemption in the list, you can hit browse and then go to your Red Dead Redemption 2 main directory and select the RDR2.exe. If you don't know where your RDR2 install location is, you can go to this path on the screen, which is the default location of the game. So if you install the game on the default location, you'll find it there. But for some reason, if you cannot find it, you can locate it through your launcher. On Epic Games, you can go to library and then look for your RDR2. On the right, click the three dots and then go to manage. Here you can click the folder icon and it'll open up the install location. On Steam, you also want to go to library and then look for your RDR2. Just right click on it, manage, and then select browse local files. If you have the game on Rockstar Games Launcher, you can go to settings and then under my installed games, select Red Dead Redemption 2. And here scroll down to view installation folder and then you can hit open. It'll also open up the install location. Now that you find it, just select RDR2.exe and hit open. Hit next. Here you're going to select the rendering API. It's going to depend on your settings, but I do recommend you to use Vulkan. And for this, make sure your RDR2 settings is also set to Vulkan, as I showed you before. If you still want to go with Direct 10, 11, 12, but just know that for some reason, RDR2 works better with Vulkan. So here, make sure your in-game setting is set to Vulkan and you're going to select Vulkan. Hit next. Now you can select the effects to install. You can hit uncheck all and then check all. So it'll check all of the effects. You can hit next and it'll start downloading all of the effects and installing them. After Reshade is installed, you can hit finish and now you can launch RDR2. If you install everything correctly, you can see Reshade loading in all of the effects on top of your screen. Alright, once you're in the game, you can press home on your keyboard to open up the menu and you'll see this, but it'll also open up Rockstar Social Club because it has the same button. But for now, let's focus on the Reshade menu. Here, you can follow the tutorial if you want, click continue and follow through. But for this video, I'll just skip the tutorial and now you'll have this on your screen. So under the home tab, you can select all of the effects you want to apply. But first, you want to go to settings and then change the overlay key to any key you want other than home because home is also used for Rockstar Social Club. I'll change it to, for example, F4 like that. I can close this and press F4. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's go back to home. Here, as I told you, you can check the effects you want to use. As you can see, it applies as soon as I enable it. But usually people don't customize this on their own. They just use something called Reshade preset. So now let me show you how to load a Reshade preset. Alright, to download a Reshade preset, you can go to nexusmods.com. I'll put the link in the description to go here. And once you're here, you'll have so many options you can download and install. So for example, RDR2 for the realistic, Reshade, and mod list. So you can look for the one that you like. But take note that sometimes a Reshade preset also require a visual mods or graphics mod like this one, a visual redemption Reshade. It's built for visual redemption mod. We have a video on that if you want to install that. But anyways, we're going to look for the one that we can install right now. Alright, this one looks good. Find Realism Reshade by Method of Souls. You can click on it to go to its page. In the page, go to the Files tab and then just hit Manual Downloads like that. Save it somewhere on your PC, hit save, and the download will start. After you finish downloading, go to your downloads folder again. And now you'll have your Reshade preset. It's usually in a zip file. So to open it, you can use WinRAR or 7-zip. But you can also extract it right away if you're using Windows 11. Just right click on it and then select extract all and hit extract. Now you have it in the folder. Let's see what's inside. Here we have the INI files, which is the preset. So now you can place this INI files anywhere on your PC. But if you want to try things out, maybe install another Reshade preset after this, you can just go to your desktop and then create a new folder like that and name it Reshade preset like that. Now just copy this INI file into the new folder you just created. Now just copy the path of this folder. You can click on the top path, right click, hit copy, and then go back to Red Dead Redemption and you're going to replace the path into your Reshade preset folder. You can press Ctrl V, select the INI file, hit select, and it will load the Reshade preset. So let's see what we got here. There we go. You can see that the color is a bit different. I'd say it's a bit bluish, but anyway, you can try as many Reshade preset as you want. So that's it for this video. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.